Hi everyone, this is Leon Raj, scientist, CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat. This is a virtual presentation of my article titled as Earning Your Doctorate, published in the Hindu in the month of August 2017. The Ministry of Human Resources and Development encourages all faculty of engineering colleges to complete a PhD in their respective fields. Also, the MHRD encourages them to integrate teaching and research. As the demand for PhD holders has increased, the number of PhD students pursuing this qualification has also increased. PhD aspirants need to have a clear plan on how to proceed during each stage of the program so that they can finish successfully within the stipulated time. The stages involved are as follows. First year, depending on the institute, first year students are expected to complete relevant coursework. 4 courses will be selected by the student and his mentor, and the same should be approved by the doctoral committee. Candidates should score more than the minimum grade set by the university. Subsequently, the candidate must appear for a comprehensive exam which includes a topic studied in the courses. Research proposal. Students have to conduct an extensive literature survey during this period. The real challenge here is to document the previous research carried out in the respective field. Once an objective is finalized, the methodology to carry out can be formulated. The student's vision on the outcome should be as clear as possible before starting any investigation. Experimental studies. Experimental studies need clear planning. Experiments can be carried out in 2 ways. Complete all experiments first, then analyze the results, or carry out each experiment and analyze the subsequent outcome immediately. Sometimes the experiments may not give expected results. Do not discourage, be patient. It is wise to respond than react. Analytical and numerical studies. Generally, an analytical studies need deep knowledge in mathematics. On the other hand, numerical studies require knowledge of computation. Nowadays, gaining knowledge in software and mathematics is easy as there are lots of YouTube tutorials are available. It is expected that the numerical and or analytical results should be as close as possible to the experimental results. Do not fabricate the results. This is a breach of scientific ethics. Analysis and compilation. Graphs, charts, and line diagrams are helpful in analyzing the results. Compare your innovations with the existing ones so that you can highlight your contribution. Technical writing is an art and it cannot be learned in the one day. Usually, students think that they have to start writing the thesis only at the end, but thesis writing starts at the early stage of itself. In general, it is a good idea to present your complete research work, not more than 3 to 6 contribution chapters. The introduction and literature survey chapters can be prepared during the early stages. Synopsis submission. For synopsis report, the limit may be 10 to 30 pages, including all figures and tables. Introduce your topic briefly. Present important figures and tables. Discuss all the figures and tables in the text, and also ensure that the synopsis summarizes the 4 to 5 years of your research work. The sequence is as follows: introduction, literature survey, objective, scope, methodology, analytical or numerical studies, experimental results and comparison of experimental results with analytical and numerical results. Conclusion and references. Ensure that all the literature cited in the text are listed in the references. Once the synopsis report is approved by the committee, the students will be expected to submit their final thesis within 3 months. Before you submit your synopsis, complete the first draft of your thesis. Thesis submission and Viva voice. Spelling and grammar checking software like Grammarly and Ginger are useful during the submission stage. Also, ensure that theses do not contain any plagiarized text, figures, or tables. After a final round of proofreading, submit the thesis. As per institute norms, the thesis will be sent to Indian and foreign reviewers. Based on the reviewers' comments, a student will be recommended for the PhD degree during Viva Voice. Thank you.